Picture this. It's Friday night after a long week. You want a burger, tap to pay. Declined. Red meat allowance exceeded. You try to buy a beer. Declined again. Alcohol restricted until Monday. You want a bus ticket to a protest? Your digital wallet is geofenced. No travel permitted. This isn't sci-fi. It's the future being built right now, powered by central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. CBDCs aren't just about convenience. They're about control, total granular control over every cent you earn, save, and spend. Remember cash? That street hot dog, a few bucks to a friend, private, untraceable, yours. In a CBDC world, every transaction is logged, tracked, and stored forever. The government will know you bought that hot dog and maybe judge your taste in socks. They promise efficiency. No more waiting for checks, no more loose change. Just a seamless digital ledger. But beneath the shiny surface is a darker reality. Your financial life becomes a tool for social engineering. Criticize the government online. Suddenly, your spending is limited. Donate to a cause they dislike. Your account is frozen. This is the power they want. A financial panopticon where every citizen is a subject. Your economic activity becomes a permanent, searchable record of your life, beliefs, and associations. Financial privacy, a cornerstone of liberty, vanishes. They won't need to follow you. They'll just follow your money. And when they can follow your money, they can control your behavior. The question isn't if this technology is possible. It is. The real question: are we willing to pay for this convenience with our freedom? Imagine a world where your money is no longer yours, but a tool for compliance. The price of this digital utopia? Your autonomy. The dream is efficiency. The reality is surveillance. Every transaction, every choice becomes a data point in your government file. The future of money is being written now. Will you have a say? Or will you wake up one day to find your financial freedom gone? The time to ask questions is now. Because once this system is in place, there's no going back. So, what is a CBDC? It's not cash. It's not your bank account. It's a new government-issued digital currency, directly in your phone, controlled by the central bank. Governments pitch CBDCs as tools for financial inclusion, faster payments, and fighting crime. But the real draw: unprecedented economic power. With CBDCs, governments can airdrop stimulus or take money out with negative interest rates. Your savings could shrink by design, pushing you to spend. Cash is anonymous. CBDCs are the opposite. Every transaction is visible to the state. It's the ultimate surveillance tool, giving governments a God's eye view of the economy, down to you. This isn't just about stopping crime. It's about monitoring everyone. Authoritarian regimes could only dream of this level of insight. Now, it's becoming reality. The polished brochure says progress. The fine print says control. The real reason for CBDCs? Power over your money and your choices. The race is on to make this dream a reality. Are you ready for what comes next? You've heard of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Isn't a CBDC just government crypto? Not even close. Bitcoin is decentralized. No CEO, no central server, no government control. It's about freedom. CBDCs are the opposite: total centralization, total control. With Bitcoin, you own your coins. With CBDCs, you're granted permission to use digital dollars until the rules change. Bitcoin separates money from the state. CBDCs fuse them together. Politicians use crypto buzzwords to sell CBDCs, but it's a bait and switch. One empowers individuals, the other empowers the state. Don't be fooled. CBDCs and real crypto are philosophical opposites. One is a tool for freedom, the other for domination. When they say digital currency, ask who controls it. The answer makes all the difference. Don't let them blur the lines. Know the difference. Your freedom depends on it. What does losing financial privacy really mean? Every purchase, coffee, donations, books, therapy, becomes a permanent searchable record. In China, the digital yuan is tied to a social credit system. Your spending affects your score and your opportunities. Buy the wrong thing. Lose privileges. Donate to the right cause. Get rewarded. It's obedience, gamified, with your money as the controller. Imagine insurers or employers accessing your spending history. Suddenly, your premiums rise or you lose a job. This data becomes a weapon for discrimination by government and corporations. And if hackers breach the system, your entire financial life is exposed. Financial privacy isn't about hiding. It's about protection. Without it, we're all vulnerable. Programmable money is where CBDCs get truly Orwellian. The government could code rules into your money, how, where, and when you spend it. Stimulus funds that expire. Welfare that only buys approved items. Money that can't be used for travel or donations. Your money isn't yours. It's a tool for compliance. They could block purchases, restrict donations, or limit travel with a few lines of code. Financial autonomy disappears. The state pulls the strings. This isn't just policy. It's control, enforced by software. Are you ready to have your spending dictated by bureaucrats? CBDCs don't just threaten privacy. They could upend the entire banking system. Why keep money in a risky bank when you can store it safely with the central bank? This could trigger a slow-motion digital bank run, draining deposits from commercial banks. Without deposits, banks can't lend. Credit dries up. The economy stalls. The government might become the main lender, centralizing power even more. In a crisis, everyone could rush to CBDCs, collapsing banks overnight. Central bankers know the risks, but their solutions create new problems. The stability of our financial system is at stake. For a while, CBDCs advanced quietly, with little debate. Now, people are waking up and politicians are listening. In the US, bipartisan pushback is growing. Congress is debating the Anti-CBDC Surveillance State Act, aiming to block government-run digital currencies. Politicians across the spectrum are making CBDCs a campaign issue, calling them a threat to liberty. Public pressure is working. The debate is out in the open. Europe is seeing similar resistance as citizens question the digital euro. The fight isn't over. Governments love control, but real opposition is rising. We don't have to accept this future. The battle for financial freedom has begun. Feeling powerless? Don't. Awareness is your first weapon. Talk to friends, family, coworkers. Explain what CBDCs are and what's at stake. Most people don't know. Be the one who wakes them up. Use cash whenever you can. It's private, untraceable, and sends a message. We value financial freedom. If cash disappears, so does our last real alternative. Make your voice heard. Contact your representatives. Demand they oppose retail CBDCs. Politicians follow public opinion. Make opposition impossible to ignore. This isn't about politics, it's about freedom. The future of money is the future of society. Will we choose empowerment or control? The window to act is closing. Don't trade liberty for convenience. Stand up now, before it's too late.